Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have for you guys another PR unboxing video. So madami ulit na padala. And again, ayaw kong mapuno sa beauty room ko to. So I'm doing another PR unboxing. The first one is actually a kit from Maybelline. So meron tayong chrome highlighter, master chrome highlighter, which I actually have on my face today. We also have here the Wear Boosting Setting Spray. Oh my gosh. Master Fix by Face Studio, also from Maybelline. And then the Master Camouflage Concealer Palette. And then the Master Prime Primer and Base. Ito, hindi ko pa natatry ito ng bongga, girl. Mukhang bongga siya. Look at this. May kasama pang mirror. And sabi dito, press me. Oh my gosh, that's really super bongga. Oh my gosh, I love it. So up next, we have new tattoo designs from Tattumundo. And I'm so excited to put more on my skin. They released new designs. As you can see, ito yung LGBT designs natin. Ang gaganda, very colorful, very meaningful as well. Ang gaganda. Life is good. Love forever. Ayan. Believe. Go for it. Imagine. This is it. Ang ganda ng font ng This Is It, diba? We also have this. Mas bold choices. Mga animals. Ayan. Pilipinas! Oh my gosh, ang ganda. Mabuhay, Pilipinas. Yung agila, yung mapa ng Pilipinas. Perlas ng silangan. Okay, ang ganda. So again, those are the new designs from Tattumundo. I love Tattumundo forever and ever and ever. I'll have their link in the information box. Again, these are the tattoos na tubig lang. So for everyone out there na takot magpa-tattoo tulad ko, ito na lang para sa atin, para bonggang-bongga. Ito naman, package from ColourTint. So, kaka-event lang nila, I think a few days ago. And then this came in the mail. It's called the Friyay ColourSnap. Ang ganda, Friyay. We have Punch and a lot more shades in here. We have Lucky. This is Golden. And then lastly, we have 100. So, it's called the Dewy Multi-Stain. So, I'll open this one, yung 100, para, kasi I have no idea kung ano siya, pero, siguro ano to, parang yung lip stain. It is contained in a thin can like this. Paano to buksan? Oh, you slide. You slide to open. Ooh! Oh my gosh, ang bang girl. Okay, so yun ang itsura niya. So, I'll probably do a separate video na lang kasi we need swatches for this. As in, kailangan ng swatches ng bonggang-bongga. So, a separate video for that. And then, included in that video would be the swatches of their latest products, which is in this box. Wait lang. Lip and cheek oil. Oh my gosh. Lip and cheek oil. 20 shades available lang naman. Ganun lang naman kakonti. Grabe, ang dami-dami. So, again, super dami, pero I'll need to do a separate video for this kasi nga ang dami niya. Ang ganda. Glass yung packaging niya. And then, shake me up real good. Okay, the reason why I think I like this is because oil siya. Oil tint. Ayaw ko talaga yung mga tint na parang nagaano lang. Ewan ko, hindi ko ma-explain. Ayaw ko yung drying. So, let's see. Parang nail polish applicator. Whoops. Okay. I'll put it sa likod ng kamay. Wow. That is so pigmented, guys. Look at that. That's the shade Dion. So many... Ang bango. Oopsie. And lip and cheek siya. Wow. It's so blendable. Wow. Girl. So perfect for the cheeks as well, diba? So I'll try out using this on my face in a separate video, girl. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Ang daming shades. 20 shades available. Again, that is the ColourTint by ColourTint Cosmetics. Ang ganda. And then sa event naman ng Clinique, if you watched my vlog naman, you would have already seen kung anong nilaunch nila sa event na yon. Clinique Fit. So it's basically makeup and skincare for working out. And ang ganda ng box, girl. Very nice. Clinique Fit, life's a marathon. Look good running it. Oh, diba? And then, life-proof daw yung mga stuff. Girl, ang ganda ng packaging. Look at this. You have to see this. Okay, ang ganda. Like, super duper ganda. Grabe. So, each product is sealed or contained in a separate packaging. Ang ganda! Okay, wait lang. This one is the Workout Face and Body Hydrating Spray. Yan ang itsura niya. Okay, we also have the... Okay, may mascara din sila. Mascara. We also have the Post-Workout Glow Without the Workout Lip and Cheek Flush. Yan. Then, meron tayong Post-Workout Neutralizing Face Powder. Ang dami, like, girl. Medyo madami to, girl. And then, Mattifying Moisturizer. Post-Workout Mattifying Moisturizer. We also have the Workout Makeup. SPF 40 lang naman. Ang laki. Ang taas nun, girl. And then, meron silang sinamang, of course, a pouch. Oh my gosh. Yung classic na Clinique pouch. Ang ganda. So, anyway, meron pa pala, guys, yung post-workout cleansing wipes. Ayan. So, I showed this, everything, sa vlog na yon. And then, I'll do a separate video to try them on my face. And then, we'll test it out kung bongga pa talaga siya. So, I'll do it kapag mag-jogging na tayo. Pero grabe, maulan pa rin. So, I'm not sure kung kailan tayo makakano. We also have something from Bobbi Brown. So, nagpadala sila ng mga stuff. Thank you so much to the Bobbi Brown team. Oh my gosh, si Pony and Olivia. New Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. Oh my gosh, okay. All Day Smile. Ang ganda ng pouch. All Day Smile. Cute niya ba? With a smiley face. So, sa loob, meron tayong dalawang foundation. Again, it's the Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation SPF 15. Full cover, oil-free, shine control. 2 shades available. I have 2 shades pala. Warm Sand and Beige. Ayan yung itsura nila. Of course, I'll do a first impression and a review for you guys. And then, meron din tayong, what's this? Oh, a brush for the applicator. And then, meron tayong mixing plate. Nice. All Day Smile hashtag and then the smiley face. Thank you, Bobbi Brown. Nagpa-facial ako sa Fairmont. And then, ito yung brand na nag-sponsor ng event na yun. Actually, it was their event. And then, una-una, sabi ko, kinabahan ako. Kasi di ba facial. And then, ang gagamitin na products is their products. And then, nag-worry lang ako kasi sabi ko, shocks. Paano kung hindi hiyang sa akin? And then mag-breakout ako or something like that. Thankfully, hindi ako nag-breakout. And I got super duper impressed with their products talaga. So they are called the Fresh Skin Lab. Available sa Watsons. They are like a month old pa lang in the Philippines. Meron silang mga mist. So we have the Aloe Vera Mist. Ito yung itsura niya. Aloe Mist. Okay. And then we also have the Collagen Mist. And guys, sobrang mura ng mga products nila. Which is awesome kasi made in Korea. Kaya nga, di ba, after ng facial, you have to watch that vlog. Kasi after ng facial, sabi ko, ano nangyari sa face ko? Sobrang lambot. Super duper lambot. And even yung mga amoy ng mga products nila, very natural. Walang stinging sa face. Hindi nag-sting yung face ko. Walang redness. Walang reaction at all. Sinabi pa lang nila sa akin, kasi I got a chat with the owner. Sabi pa lang sa akin na made in Korea talaga. Sabi ko, no doubt. Kasi girl, ang galing. And then they have the oil blotting paper. It's no ordinary oil blotting paper. Kasi ito yung parang roll type. And then you have to peel it off. And then meron din tayong refill. Ayan. Refill pack. Ang galing, di ba? Yan. So, naka-roll lang siya sa bag mo. Ang galing talaga. As in. And then, we have the Lifting Eye Gel. Ayan, may mga ganito sila. Lifting Eye Gel. I haven't really tried. And then, we have the Lightening Gel para sa mga dark spots natin. I have dark spots. And then, Acne Care Lotion. Perfect to kasi I have acne right now. I'll try it sa chin ko. And then, lastly, we have Pore Reducing Cream. Oh, I have big pores. We can also try this one. Available in Watsons. Ang pinaka-last is a package from Bilena. And I'm excited kasi hindi ko alam kung ano ba to. Bilena new products. Ayan. Oh, they have the Lip and Cheek Roller. Wow. EB Matte Nudes and Sculpt and Strobe. Oh my gosh, ang ganda ng packaging. Thank you so much to Bilena for sending these. Ooh! Girl! Okay, ang daming laman. I think we will need a separate video for this kasi, girl. Okay, lip and cheek roll. Maybe I can swatch this for you. Lip and cheek roll. Nice. Ayan, lip and cheek roll. Ayan. Tapos, scalp and strobe. So, contour and highlight. Scalp and strobe stick nila. I'll try them and then I'll let you know kung ano yung verdict ko. And then, the EB Matte Nudes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 shades available. I'll try one. Bellissima. Bellissima. Ay, ang ganda na ng... Okay, iba na yung packaging nila. Ganyan yung itsura. Bellissima looks something like this. Ayan. Ooh, girl! Okay. Alam niyo yung panahon namin ng YouTube, lahat kami nagkakandara pa sa mga matte lipsticks ng Bilena. So, I guess, ano na sila? Bagong packaging na. Galing. And then, yun. I'll do a separate video para mas-swatch ko sa lips ko. Ayan. So, those are the Bilena Matte Nudes or Bilena new products from Bilena. That ends my PR unboxing for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Stay tuned for all the individual videos that I'll be making with these products. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. My maong jacket pala is from Pen Shop. Bye!